This is a really great coffee grinder. You put the beans in here and then you move this back and forth to adjust whether you have a French press or for doing drip coffee, or you want espresso, and it grinds perfectly. And then you set the timer for what you think, how long it's going to take, how many beans you've got in there. And then the best part of it is that, look, it's white. I've been using it for a week. There are no coffee grinds anywhere. This is where you take the coffee grinds out of, and well, there's a few, but really I've used this maybe 4 or 5 times and it's still nice and clean. I love this grinder.
Okay, it's all set, ready to go. Let's try.